Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's a GPT model which has been released by China again. It's called Kimi 1.5. So it is Moonshot's AI. It can outperform GPT-4 and Cloud 3.5. That is what we are trying to see here. You would have come across DeepSeek Quan from Chinese companies. This is again another GPT model that has been released. So let's look at what this is all about. So Moonshot AI has launched Kimi 1.5, an AI model which has gained widespread recognition because of its enhanced capabilities and unrestricted usage. That means you can use it without any restrictions, unlike GPT-4 from OpenAI and Anthropic's Claude 3.5. So the later version of Kim 1.5 brings innovative multimodal features, real-time web search, and exceptional memory capabilities, which position it to become an industry disruptor in AI. So Kim 1.5 distinguishes itself through its text volume processing capabilities, file analysis system, and complex reasoning functions. The application enables instantaneous web searches between hundreds of sites and supports the assessment of 50 distinct file types, including PowerPoint and PDF files. As a result, this tool adapts to multiple tasks for information access and document operations. The significant 128,000 token context video of Kimi enables artificial intelligence to remember large data sets at once. The system's memory capacity allows it to operate accurately and solve problems effectively when processing lengthy text documents. So this is multimodal AI, which is beyond text. So in terms of performance and efficiency, the developers at Moonshot AI assert that Kimi 1.5 performs better than GPT-4 and Claude 3.0 on tasks, depending on logical reasoning by 550%. So it's a disruptive AI model. The accessibility of free and unlimited artificial intelligence provides transformative changes. So we will look at how it performs with DeepSeek and OpenAI. So what are the key differences between Kimi AI, DeepSeek AI, and OpenAI? So multimodal overview. So if you Kimi AI, if you see, it focuses on research, document summarization, and it's a Chinese language NLP, making it a strong tool for information retrieval and structured responses. So DeepSeek specializes in AI-assisted coding, multilingual content generation. OpenAI is a leader in AI-driven reasoning, enterprise automation, and they were one of the first players to come up with. So this is in terms of performance. Kimi AI outlines them in terms of performance or outperforms them. In case of use cases and strength, is best for academic research, business documentation, automated summarization. It assists in structured customer support with efficient knowledge retrieval. So that is too much of information. Let's get into the tool. So I'll show you what exactly it does. So this is Kimi. So here you have the option to connect to the internet or not to connect to the internet, and you can also choose Kimi, which is for the most tasks, or K1.5 Loom Thinking, the current version, which is like complex visual and textual reasoning. So let's give some tasks. It can give you results based on real-time information. So I'll say that you are a research analyst. Analyze NVIDIA stock for next 12 months and suggest if it is a good investment. Searching for various news and market relevant information on the web. Okay, let's see. So I've given it a command. You are a research analyst. Analyze the NVIDIA stock for the next 12 months and suggest it if it could be a good investment. So from various news agents, it is searching for all this information. So you see this various results that it has pulled up. So 95 pages of information it has pulled up. So it has completed its reasoning. So to summarize the NVIDIA stock outlook for the next year, analyze search result on NVIDIA's growth drivers and stock valuation. Okay, so let's tackle this analysis of NVIDIA stock for the next 12 months. The user wants to know if it's a good investment. First, I need to go through the search results provided and extract the key points. Looking at the first result from Motley Fool, They mentioned that NVIDIA's Blackwell GPUs are a big growth driver for 2025. The demand is outstripping supply, and Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing is ramping up production. They note that Blackwell related revenue is expected to exceed expectations, and NVIDIA has secured a significant portion of TSMC's capacity. This could lead to substantial revenue increases, possibly even doubling the stock price. So that's a strong positive point. The second result is from BNN and Bloomberg talks about the stock's recent performance, up 14% this month with Blackwell and full production and high demand. Analysts from Morgan Stanley mentioned that orders are booked out for 12 months, which shows strong forward visibility. The article also mentioned Microsoft increasing capex of AI, which supports NVIDIA's position. The valuation is reasonable compared to its growth prospect. So it's trading at 37 times the earnings rate below its 5-year average. This suggests that stock might be undervalued given the expected growth. So the third result is a summary of analyst rating from Nasdaq. Mostly analysts are bullish, somewhat bullish, with an average 12-month price target of around this. So now considering the factors, these are other factors just to consider. The AI market is competitive, so it has summed up everything. So it is not an investment advice. This would help you in your research. So I want to showcase what exactly this Kimi AI can do. So this is one example that I can pull out so that you can understand the value of this tool, because it can search the real-time news and take those information and arrive at conclusion based on its reasoning capabilities. So you see this here, it has mentioned reasoning completed. So now, based on the analysis of available information, NVIDIA stock is considered a good investment opportunity for the next 12 months, driven by strong demand for its AI-focused GPU. Favorable market condition. Below is a detailed breakdown. So this is what it has summed up based on all the information that has been captured from across the internet. So it also mentions what are the risks to consider. So in conclusion, NVIDIA stock price is poised for a strong performance in 2025, driven by insatiable demand for its AI chips production capacity expansion and a favorable market outlook. So let's ask for something which everyone knows about gold. You are an expert in gold. Suggest if gold and precious metals based on your analysis and information across the web, please tell me if gold or silver is a better investment. Pick one. So I am asking you to pick one for 2025. So I have given it gold and silver. I'm asking you to tell me whether, in terms of your search and reasoning, what exactly will be a better investment for 2025. So it's going to read all those information rather than me going and reading all the 73 pages of information and doing all this research. It is doing all the research and reasoning on its own. So if you see here, there is 73 pages of information that is available. So let's break down this step by step. The user is asking whether the gold or silver is a better investment for 2025. So while risk exits, the company's leadership is in AI. So one second, that was other information, reasoning completed. Based on analysis of available information, silver is a better investment choice for 2025. This is what it concludes. So analyzing market trends and user perspective for investment advice. So key reasons to choose silver. So if you want to see how it exactly has came to this conclusion, you can go through all those information here. Now, if I don't want this to go through how it has gone and concluded it, I can come here and say, based on analysis of available information, silver is better investment choice for 2025. And here is why. Key reasons to choose silver. Higher growth potential. Analysis predict silver could see 25 to 30% price increase in 2025, potentially reaching $38 per ounce, outperforming gold's projected growth. So silver's industrial demand is rising due to its use in solar energy, electrical vehicles, semiconductors, and electronics. So as green energy and tech sectors expand, silver's value is expected to surge, which is also true. Undervalued compared to gold, silver is currently trading at $30 per ounce, far below its 2011 all-time high of nearly $50. So this suggests significant upside potential if it returns to historical peaks. Gold, on the other hand, is near its record high. Affordability and accessibility, silver's lower cost per ounce makes it accessible to a broader range of investors, allowing for a larger purchase and greater diversification. So they also mentioned why gold may be less attractive. So silver's performance in 2024, about 42% gain, outpaced gold's 34%, driven by industrial demand. So let's ask, is silver supply finite or rare? Can new silver deposits be found compared to gold, which is finite? So let me ask this question. So is silver supply finite or rare? Can new silver deposit be found compared to gold, which is finite and rare? So it's again giving its analysis based on the search that is pulling out from various sources. Now if you see, it is finding out where new silver is found and all those information across the web. So let's look at what it comes up with finally. So it's reading through these pages. Summarize silver's rarity and supply prospects compared to gold, considering new deposits and production challenges. So finite but not as rare as gold. Silver is abundant in the Earth's crust, 0.08 parts per million, but it is rarely found as a native metal. Most silver is extracted as a byproduct of copper, lead, zinc mining. With only 27% coming from primary silver mines. So global silver demand has outpaced supply since 2020. So existence of new deposit, non-large deposit, significant undeveloped silver projects exist, such as Mexico, Cordero, Isca. Challenges in the development of this comparison with gold. Gold is rarer. Silver's industrial demand is higher. Silver is not as rare as gold. While both metals are finite, silver's supply is more constrained by productional challenges. So that is what it has come up with. So in this way, it can do a lot of things like this. It can take in information from multiple documents, like 50 files it can take, each of 100 MB in size, and it can give you insights, which is a significant capability for all this information which has been provided for free. It can also take images. So if you have any architectural diagram for any software application or any complex process, then you can put it in here and it can give you step-by-step instructions or guides on how to interpret those images. So in all these capabilities, I think this is a great tool. You can try it out or explore. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.